Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you how to deal with refunded credit on someone's account effectively and what to do with it when it's actually on there. So what do I mean by that? So I'll log myself in now. Okay, so what I'll do is I will select the customer. Okay, our customer's already selected. So what I'm going to do a little quick refund just to generate some credit effectively on their account. So what I'll do is I will click on refunds. I'll do it from transaction search. Okay, and obviously because I've already selected the customer, it asked you, do you want to just see it just for this customer? In this case, I'll say yes. And it's this one here. So basically someone's come in, this is the story, someone's come in, they bought these items and I've basically put them, they've paid for them using credit, which then I'm going to send an invoice for them, and then they're going to pay it off via a BACS transfer or something like that. But they've actually brought these goods back because they don't want them anymore. So what's going to happen is I'm going to have to refund this back now as a credit against their account, and then I'm going to show you what to do with that credit once it's on there. Generally what you do is you use it to actually pay off the original invoice. So if I select there like so and click on select, I'll refund all these items and click on refund items. Yes, I'll put them back into stock. I'll refund them. I'll then click on credit customer account, because obviously they haven't actually paid for them physically yet with any tender. It's just being put on credit, so I have to refund it back as credit. Okay, so press accept on there. Yep, no problem. Right, that's processed. I'll just press accept on these. Okay, and there you have it. There are actually a few settings that actually pops up immediately after you've done a refund based on an invoice that allows you to allocate that credit there and then straight away on the actual till itself. But some people obviously have a separate department that obviously deals with all that. They just want to be able to process it on the till, job done, next customer please. So it depends on how you want to operate. You might want to operate it all on the till, so you allocate it immediately so it never gets forgotten about, or again you just basically do what I just did then, and then obviously someone else in the back office then obviously deals with that, all depending on how you actually run your business. So what I'll do now is I'll select the customer again. So I'll select the customer and bring up his invoices. So if I go to special functions, go to invoice options and click on customer invoices, invoice details. So there you have it. So there's the original one right there, and then obviously there's that one there as well, the actual refund. So effectively these need to balance, so I need to get rid of this by using this. So you can't do it from this section here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to actually allocate that credit. So if I close there like so, if I click on, technically I can do pass and the shortcut right there. There's also another way of doing it. You can actually click on there and click on finances and then pay balance. You can click on there and get rid of it that way. But for this one, I'm going to click on here, and then this will open up. So obviously that one's still outstanding, but then it'll tell you down here the total credit value available is that right there. So to use it, you literally go pay selected with credit. This button will only appear if they actually have credit. If they don't, that button will be missing altogether. So I've selected that one there like so. Pay selected with credit. It asks me, that's the one I want to use. That's the one I want to use. Thank you very much. Boom. That's the amount I also want to use off it. Boom. Done. So what's that actually done then? So if I go back over to special functions, invoice options, customer invoices, you can then see they've now both disappeared. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show paid, and so there we have it. So that one there. So that was the original one, because obviously it's got it hasn't got a minus next to it, and it actually tells you how it's been effectively balanced. So it's being paid using the invoice based credit from credit invoice 19, which is that one right there. And if you can click on that, it'll tell you also where this has been allocated to. So credit used for invoice 18. So then there's a nice little paper trail, so you know what's happened effectively with this credit and how it's actually been balanced correctly. So there you have it. I do hope that's been useful. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. See you next time. Bye now.